Hello everyone, this is Gurumurthy M, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from Jyoti Institute of Technology. In the previous session, we discussed about nomenclature of cams. In this session, we'll discuss about displacement, velocity and acceleration diagrams when the follower is having uniform velocity, or when the follower motion is having simple harmonic motion or uniform acceleration and retardation, and also cycloidal motion. The first one is uniform velocity. That means when the follower motion is of uniform velocity, what happens to the displacement as well as acceleration? Okay, so this is the displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram. The first one is displacement diagram. In the y-axis it is having displacement, in the x-axis it is having angular displacement, or else one revolution of a cam, that means 360 degree, or else we'll call it as time. Okay, this axis represent time also. Fine. This is related to the follower motion. Okay, I'm talking about follower motion, not about the rotation of the cam. Okay, only displacement of the follower I'm talking about. Okay, this is the displacement. Now A to B1, it is rising, okay, from initial condition to the maximum condition. Okay, that means the stroke. Okay, it is rising from A to B1, then B1 to C1 is dwell, C1 to D is return, and D to E is dwell. So this is one cycle for complete 360 degree. Okay, and now if the velocity is constant, what happens to the displacement drawing as well as acceleration? We'll discuss. Okay, so velocity is constant means, I'll explain you like this. If there is a change in the displacement, then only you are having velocity, correct? Okay, now the displacement is 2 meter per 1 second. For 1 second the displacement of the follower is 2 meter. For 2 seconds the displacement of the follower is 4 meter, means it is raising 2 meter for 1 second. After 2 seconds it is raised to 4 meter. After 3 seconds it is raised to 6 meter. Okay, that means it is increasing gradually. That means displacement is increasing gradually, but the velocity is constant, because velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. So that means 2 meter divided by 1, that is 2 meter per second. 4 meter per 2 seconds, that means again 2 meter per second. 6 meter per 3 seconds, that is also equal to 2 meter per second. That means the velocity is constant, but the displacement is increasing linearly like this during the race. And B1 to C1, what happens? There is no change in the displacement. Here the follower is at resting condition for some time. If there is no change in the displacement, there is no velocity, correct? Displacement divided by time. Okay, that is the velocity. So there is no displacement, then velocity also 0 for B1 to C1. Next, C1 to D, it is returning. Okay, it is returning from C1 to D. That time again the velocity is constant, so you are getting linear displacement. Okay, again D to E is dwell, means resting condition. Follower is at resting condition, so there is no velocity. Fine, I think you understood about the displacement drawing when the velocity is uniform. Now we'll go to the acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Velocity divided by time is called as acceleration. Displacement divided by time is called as velocity, but velocity is divided by time means it is acceleration. Okay, now we'll see. Here this is the starting condition, means time is 0. At time is equal to 0, velocity is maximum, correct? See, the velocity is maximum. Let me put it in this way. It is reaching 10 meter per second, right, within no time. Okay, velocity is 10 meter per second within no time, at 0 time, means that is acceleration. Okay, 10 meter per second divided by 0 time. Okay, that is acceleration. So anything divided by 0, what is the value? It is infinite, correct? So that is why acceleration is infinite at the starting condition. Are you understood? See, it is acceleration is infinity because suddenly within no time velocity reaching 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second divided by 0 time, you will get infinity. Then this velocity is not going to change. It remains 10 meter per second up to a to b1. Okay, a to b1, it remains same, means there is no change in the velocity. It is constant, 10 meter per second only. If there is no change in the velocity, means there is no acceleration only. Okay, so that means acceleration is 0 at this condition. Next, after b1 to c1, suddenly this velocity reaching 0, right? 10 meter per second to 0, it's dropped to 0 suddenly. 0 meter per second means 0 meter per second within no time, that is 0 meter per second divided by 0 seconds. What you will get? Again you will get infinity, right? Next, likewise returning also, while it is returning from c1 to d, suddenly velocity is dropping to the minus 10 divided by 0, again you will get infinity. Here again it is 0 meter per second within no time, that is 0, again you will get infinity. So this is about acceleration diagram when the velocity is uniform. If the velocity is uniform, starting and at the ending condition, you are having infinite acceleration. In between, as the velocity is constant, there is no change in the velocity, you won't get any acceleration, it is 0. Okay, but practically it is not possible. Okay, it is difficult to achieve. So that is why what we will do, will provide some curves at the sharp edges in the cam. Okay, so this profile belongs to cam only. Okay, so at this region, that is b1 and c1, a as well as d and also e, will provide some curved shape. So because of this shape, velocity gradually increasing from 0 to some maximum value, then it becomes constant. If there is a gradual increase in the velocity, means gradually velocity is changing with respect to time, means definitely you are having some definite amount of acceleration. So you can constrain to the acceleration to the definite amount. Okay, you can avoid infinite acceleration by providing these curves. So that is why this is modified diagram of uniform velocity, by providing some curves at the starting and ending of the profile, means starting of the race and stopping of the rise and starting of the return and stopping of the return. Okay, hope you understood this drawing, and also it is suitable for only a low speed application, not for the high speed application. Okay, thank you.